Hi Bruce, good morning. Here's Bruce's morning routine. So happy. Let's see, we're gonna take off the swaddle. Take off the swaddle. Stretch! Yeah! You're free. You're free of the swaddle. Stretch. Oh, feels so good. Yeah. Good morning, honey. Did you have a good night? Yes. Oh, stretch those arms. Yeah. Stretch those arms. Yeah. Oh, good stretch. Good stretch. It's another beautiful morning. Yeah. Yay! Yeah, stretch those legs. You gonna play with your friends? Okay. Here's your mobile. There you go. There you go. Reach for him. Can you reach him? Yeah. Such a happy baby. Yeah. Are you such a happy baby? Alright, we'll have fun. We'll see you later.